Are you tired of starting your day with a lackluster breakfast? Well, get ready to revitalize your morning routine with these quick and healthy breakfast ideas. Let's dive into the making of our energizing smoothie. Start by gathering your ingredients together. 2 cups of spinach, 2 ripe bananas, a cup of almond milk, and a handful, about a half cup, of assorted berries. Our recipe is a nutritional powerhouse. Spinach brings iron, vitamin K, A, C, and B2. Bananas load up on vitamin C and B6, along with potassium and magnesium. Almond milk adds its share of calcium, vitamin D and E, while the colourful berries chime in with a wealth of antioxidants and vitamin C. Once your ingredients are ready, begin by adding the 2 cups of spinach into your blender. Next, peel and break the bananas in half and add them to the spinach. Follow this with the almond milk to ensure a smooth blend. Lastly, add your half cup of berries into the mixture. Start blending at a low speed, gradually increasing to a high speed until your smoothie is smooth and creamy. This is to ensure that all the ingredients are well blended and no lumps remain. Each sip of this energizing smoothie not only provides your body with well-rounded nourishment, but also bolsters immunity, bone health, and muscle function. When these power-packed ingredients unite, they create a revitalizing drink, giving you a surge of energy, perfectly fueling your day ahead, and taking care of your nutritional needs. Enjoy this smoothie first thing in the morning for maximum benefits. Next is a protein-packed oatmeal. Here's what you'll need for preparing the protein-packed oatmeal. 1 cup of oats, 2 cups of almond milk, 1 scoop of your favorite protein powder, a handful of sliced almonds, 1 tablespoon of honey. Let's get started with step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Pour 2 cups of almond milk into a pot and bring it to a gentle boil. Step 2. Once the almond milk is heated, add 1 cup of oats. Reduce the heat to a simmer. Step 3. Let the oats cook for about 10 to 15 minutes or until they have absorbed most of the almond milk and have a creamy consistency. Step 4. After the oats are cooked, add a scoop of your favorite protein powder into the pot. Stir well to combine and make sure there are no lumps. Step 5. Take the pot off the heat and let it cool for a bit, then pour your protein-packed oatmeal into a bowl. Step 6. To garnish, sprinkle a handful of sliced almonds on top and drizzle 1 tablespoon of honey. You can add more or less according to your preference. This hearty bowl will keep you feeling full and energized until lunchtime. It's worth noting that oats are a great source of fiber and protein. They keep your digestive system healthy and provide sustained energy. Moreover, almond milk provides essential vitamins and minerals that boost your overall health. The protein powder not only adds flavor, but also boosts your protein intake, ensuring that your muscles are well nourished. Lastly, the almonds and honey offer healthy fats and natural sweetness, enhancing the taste while keeping it healthy. If you're craving a meal that's scrumptious and healthful, the breakfast burrito is a superior choice. This dish is packed with high-quality protein from eggs, which contain about 6 grams of protein per egg, and cheese, making it a muscle-building delight. It also provides you a considerable amount of fiber, credited to the whole grain tortilla that contains around 6 grams of fiber per serving, aiding your digestion. The diced bell peppers and onions do more than just adding flavor. They're a vitamin powerhouse, with bell peppers providing you with 169% of the daily recommended value of vitamin C and onions supplying 12% of your daily value of vitamin C and 5% of vitamin B6. Here's what you'll need: eggs, diced bell peppers, onions, cheese, a whole grain tortilla. Now let's embark on the journey of preparing this nutritious meal. Kick off by heating a pan and drizzling some oil into it. As the oil gets hot, introduce the diced bell peppers and onions to the pan and sauté them until they turn soft and slightly caramelized. In a different bowl, whip up some eggs until they blend well. Pour this mix into the pan with the sautéed veggies. Toss in some cheese and scramble the mix until the eggs are well cooked and the cheese has thoroughly melted. As the eggs are getting scrambled, warm up a whole grain tortilla. Once it's warm, lay it out flat and add the scrambled eggs into its core. Roll up the tortilla carefully, folding in the ends to craft a burrito. There you have it, A ready-to-go meal that's exploding with nutrients and will unquestionably satiate your hunger and fuel you up for the day. Relish your protein, fiber, and vitamin-packed breakfast burrito. For those with a sweet tooth, our power pancakes are not just delectable, but also nutritionally dense, making them a must-try. Begin by mashing a ripe banana loaded with potassium and energy, essential for supporting heart and muscle function. Mix it with oats, a fantastic source of fiber that aids digestion and keeps you feeling fuller for longer. Further, add almond milk, a wonderful provider of calcium necessary for healthy bones and teeth. Complete the mixture with a dash of cinnamon for flavor. Cook the batter on a hot pan and serve these hearty pancakes with yogurt, a protein powerhouse that supports muscle growth and repair. Alongside your favorite fruits, these nutrient-rich pancakes will not only satiate your sweet desires, but also keep you feeling energized and satisfied. And there you have it, a roundup of quick and healthy breakfast ideas to kickstart your day by the Nutrition Wolf. Before we wrap up this video, thanks for watching our video. We'd love to hear from you, so don't be shy, drop us a comment below to share your thoughts. We're always eager to learn from our viewers and their experiences. Also, be sure to share this video with your friends and family. Trust us, they'll thank you for this. Also, don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and learned something new today. And if you haven't already, click on the subscribe button and the notification bell right next to it. This way, you'll be the first to know when we upload more videos on nutrition tips, healthy recipes, and more. Remember, staying informed is the first step towards staying healthy and happy. We would also like to take a moment to remind you that the information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. It's important to remember that everyone's dietary needs and health conditions are unique. Therefore, before making significant changes to your diet or lifestyle based on what you've learned today, we strongly advise consulting with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Your health is your greatest asset, and it's crucial to make informed decisions with the guidance of professionals. Remember, the journey to health is not a one-size-fits-all, and what works for one person may not work for another. So take this information as a starting point and work with your healthcare provider to make the best decisions for your health. Until our next video, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep learning.